Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Hero Passion i3S emerges as a compelling choice for riders seeking a harmonious blend of style, efficiency, and modern technology in their daily commute. Building upon its legacy, this latest iteration introduces notable enhancements that cater to the evolving needs of urban motorcyclists. At the heart of the Passion i3S is its refined 113.2cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This power plant delivers a commendable balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it adept at navigating both congested city streets and open highways. The integration of Hero's innovative i3S idle stop-start system technology further optimizes fuel consumption by automatically shutting off the engine during idling and seamlessly restarting it upon throttle engagement. This feature proves invaluable in stop-and-go traffic scenarios, contributing to impressive mileage figures. Aesthetically, the 2025 Passion i3S receives a contemporary makeover. The bike boasts sleek lines and dynamic graphics that exude a youthful and sporty demeanor. The redesigned fuel tank, coupled with sharp headlamp and tail lamp assemblies, enhances its visual appeal, ensuring it stands out in the commuter segment. The ergonomic seat design ensures rider comfort during extended journeys, while the upright handlebar position promotes a relaxed strutting posture. The instrument cluster has been modernized to feature a semi-digital layout, providing riders with essential information at a glance. This includes a digital fuel gauge, trip meter, and service due indicator, ensuring riders remain informed about their bike's status. Additionally, the inclusion of tubeless tires enhances safety by reducing the risk of sudden deflation, and the front disc brake option offers improved stopping power, instilling confidence during emergency braking situations. In terms of ride quality, the Passion i3S is equipped with telescopic front forks and a 5-step adjustable rear shock absorber. This suspension setup adeptly absorbs road imperfections, delivering a smooth and stable ride across varying terrains. The bike's lightweight diamond frame construction contributes to its nimble handling, allowing for effortless maneuverability in tight urban environments. The 2025 model also emphasizes environmental responsibility with its PS6-compliant engine, adhering to stringent emission norms. This not only reduces the bike's carbon footprint but also ensures a cleaner and more efficient combustion process. Hero MotoCorp's extensive service network further enhances the ownership experience, providing easy access to maintenance and support services. The brand's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs adds to the overall value proposition of the Passion i3S. In conclusion, the 2025 Hero Passion i3S stands as a testament to Hero MotoCorp's commitment to delivering motorcycles that resonate with the modern commuter. Its amalgamation of stylish design, fuel-efficient technology, and rider-centric features positions it as a formidable contender in the commuter motorcycle segment. Whether you're a daily commuter or an occasional rider, the Passion i3S offers a compelling package that caters to a wide spectrum of motorcycling needs. For a more in-depth visual overview and first-hand impressions of the 2025 Hero Passion i3S, you might find the following video review insightful.